Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tron. And the TRX has very significant event on 17th of August as announced by JUSTswap, and that is the launch of JUSTswap. That will be alternative to Ethereum-based Uniswap, and it will be a Tron-based protocol that will provide a solution for decentralized liquidity on the Tron network. Now, what can be the effects of this announcement? Let me take you first on the CoinMarketCap data. This is the historical data, and we can see this is the 21st of July when this announcement was added, and at that day the market cap of Tron was $1.17 billion. Then it is increased by $1.19 billion, then 1.28, and at this time we are at $1.3 billion. So it is increased by more than 10%. So it means that more traders and investors are buying and holding the Tron. Definitely it will also affect the price action as well. So let's move to the live chart to see what the price action is doing on the live chart. And this is a daily live chart, and the price action is moving in an up channel, having good support of exponential moving average 10 and 21. As in my previous video, I shared this chart with you when the price line was moving within this up channel. At that time it was at the support. I'm just playing this chart now. The price action is still moving within this same channel, moved up, moved down at the support, and again it is likely to move up from this support. And if we watch the directional movement, then we have the positive directional movement indicator above this negative directional movement. That is another bullish signal. But the ADX that shows the power of bulls or bears, that is down. So we have a positive and bullish signal by the directional movement, but not the powerful signal. But if we place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this channel, then after that we can see this is a fixed range I am just applying on the complete price action. Then we can see that we have the trader's interest even below the support, and if we want the trader's interest from the upside, then we have below the resistance. That is a bearish signal, and that is showing that the price action can break down the support of the channel at any time, because we also have this point of control of the volume profile just below this channel support. And if we apply the moon phases indicator, that is very good indicator to identify or to predict whether the price action will break out or break down the support. Then we have the new full moon appear just below this resistance of the channel. That is also another bearish signal. It will be difficult for the price line to move up across of this level. And we have the dark moon just below this support, but we are also having this support of exponential moving average 10 and 21, and these moving averages are holding the price action very well, as it can be easily seen that the price action is using these EMAs as good support since after March 2020, and still moving within this channel, did not break down the support. And if we want the different simple moving average on this daily chart, then we have a good support of 25 simple moving average, then 50, then 200, and then 100. And I'm expecting soon this bull cross between 100 and the 200 simple moving average. And in my previous so many videos, I told you that whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is called a bullish signal or bull cross that produces more powerful bullish rally. And we have the 100 and 200 simple moving averages cross, expecting at this time that can produce powerful bullish rally, or at least it can provide a good support to the price line. Now if we move to the weekly long-term chart, let me take you to my previous chart that I shared with you on 25th of March, when the price action was at the support of this descending triangle, and I was expecting that the price action will move up to make another attempt to have breakout from this triangle. Now I'm playing this chart, and the price action moved up, and at this time it is at the resistance of this descending triangle. I have also placed this volume profile indicator, And this is a very bullish and positive signal. You can see that we have the traders' interest up to this level almost at 2.55 cents. That is above the resistance level and at a very high distance from this resistance. And if we want the simple moving averages with the time period of 25 and 50, then there is an expected golden cross or bull cross between these two moving averages just below the price action. And we can see that the price action has crossed up these two simple moving averages, having good support. And the point of control of the volume profile is also above the resistance. You can see that at this time it is at this level, but if the price action will be continue to move within this triangle, then it is above the resistance at this level. So we have the point of control here, and that works as a center of gravity for the price line. Whenever the price line moves down or moves up, it always moves back towards this point of control. So we can expect that if the point of control is above this support and just very close to this resistance level, and that will be really very helpful for the price line to break out from this resistance of the triangle. And the price action is almost at the end of this triangle, and this triangle is getting squeezed. So this is also a decision making time for the price line to break out or break down soon. So we have very strong support, but we also have a very strong resistance as well, that is the 100 simple moving average above this resistance of the triangle. That will be a big hurdle for the price line to cross up. But if we watch this chart, and I have placed the Ichimoku cloud on this weekly chart, then we can see that the price line is again trying to enter in this bearish cloud, and this bearish cloud is getting squeezed. So it's mean that soon it will be turned bullish, like it was turned bullish here. And once it will be turned bullish, then we can watch again another bullish rally that can lead the price line up to this resistance of this bearish cloud. And we are also going to have a bull cross between the conversion and the baseline. So far this cross is not formed. For example, let me remove this price line, then we can see that this bullish line is crossing up this bearish line. Once we will have this cross, then it will be another powerful bullish signal, because whenever the conversion line crosses up the baseline just below the price line, that is considered as a very strong buying signal and bullish signal. And you can see that this lagging span is just moving between this price action. Soon it will also cross up. After this bull cross, we can expect that soon it will also cross up the price line. That will be another bullish signal. But once the price line will be able to cross up this cloud that is working as a very strong resistance for the price line, then after crossing up, this cloud can work as a very strong support for the price action. And after that, we can observe that the price line of TRX will never turn back or move down below this cloud, and it will be working as a very strong support for the long-term bullish rally of TRX. At the end of this video, I would like to draw your attentions again towards this chart that I shared with you guys on 25th of September 2019, when the price action completed the formation of the bullish shark pattern. And at that time, it was entered in this potential reversal zone. And as per Fibonacci sequence, I just predicted that the price line will move up into this Fibonacci projection of C to D leg. I'm just playing this chart. Now you can see that the price action entered in this zone and moved back in this potential reversal zone. So it is working as a very strong support for the price line, and it is moving up again. And I'm expecting that soon it will be entered in this Fibonacci projection again. And if the price action will be able to cross up this cloud, the bearish cloud, then we can also expect that soon it will also cross up this Fibonacci 786 Fibonacci projection of C to D leg, and after that it can turn more bullish. As I've already told you that whenever the price action forms any harmonic move and it crosses up the 0.786 Fibonacci projection, this level, then it can turn more bullish. Maybe it will retest the previous resistance of 0.786 as a support, and after that it can start a more powerful bullish rally. So this was the update so far by the price line of TRX. If there will be more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.